But the crowd cheers as they... We're watching Nigel Hopkins. Look how he flicks that aircraft around. Cockpit fills up with smoke. Watch now for the knife edge. That is so difficult. But Nigel is so good. What a beautiful, beautiful night. Such a proud, proud moment for Tace and for Hans and all. Especially for you. Look at that. A great big view.
Ich hoffe, dass die Show Ihnen gefällt und wir drehen jetzt den Endanflug und werden dann in Kürze an Ihnen vorbeifliegen. Nigel Evans, the bus is not clear. Oh God. Keep them on the ground for the flat pass and then we'll position at the side. Hey guys, please, we're going to call smoke on shortly. Stand by for the smoke. Copy that, Nigel. We're cleared for the flat pass. Okay, and then we'll go straight ahead.
Well, this is incredible.
Okay, guys, smoke on. Go. Nigel, just be aware there's aircraft on the taxi on the runway, but it's stationary. Good job, Nigel. Good job.
Loop en lus het hulle maar volledig neergetrek.
There he comes. Listen to the note.